Hey, it's Chaz here with another training on keyword research and setting up a website. Once you get a certain point when you're actually ready to start optimizing your pages and you kind of have them figured out based on topics, subtopics, understanding what your revenue pages are, your pillar pages, beholds you to come in and for each one of your main pages that you've identified, the list of keywords specific to that page without overlapping other pages. This is called a semantic core. It's literally the keyword bucket that each one of your pages should target, and they should be unique for each page to avoid keyword cannibalization. It helps in link building, anchor text selection, getting just a good list to start with, and then understanding from there you just create variations and long tails of those. So I used to do this manually. It would take forever to sit there and manually figure out which pages should rank and which ones shouldn't for certain keywords. With ChatGPT, it's super easy now to create a semantic core, or at least a starting point. Each one of these pages could then further be developed. So for housekeeping, for example, I could then prompt it to give me 10 more search terms that this page should be targeting. Give me 10 more search terms this Airbnb cleaning page should be targeting, right? And I can keep going like that, and it'll give it to me based on its idea of popularity or search volume too. Here's the prompt I used for that. Basically, I ask it to analyze research and then identify the relevant keywords, being sure to use long tail keywords that each page should target for each web page in the following list. Then prompt it to avoid keyword cannibalization, then explain that it's a local website and its main target location is Alberta. Now, if you're working on a national site, you can just modify that as needed. I tell it, please note the homepage will target made search terms and local variations of such. The reason I do that is when I feed ChatGPT, I literally just copy my website silo and feed it to it on those main pages. But I know in my notes over here that my homepage is going to be targeting maid-related services, maid-related search terms. That's why I prompted it there. If your homepage is only going to be targeting brand terms, let it know that. Or if you want a specific set of terms that the homepage is going to target, this is where you would tell it. I also noted that because of this niche has some close variations of house cleaning, home cleaning, I would like those targeting the same page. I gave it the choice of either doing residential cleaning services page or the home page, depending on what its research reveals. So I'm prompting it to research that to give me the best result. Then I literally just list my main pages I want to do this for, and then you can see what it came up with. Very effective and simple local keyword list. This is the base. These are seed. Now, keeping in mind the parameters above, please come up with at least 15 more search terms and keywords for the home page. And let's see what it does now. There, it gives you 15 more. One thing I will add to my prompt is to mix in some near me terms on this. But I think this prompt and using this strategy, it's so much more effective than manually trying to do this. Remember, include near me terms. I did forget that in my example, but you can understand how you use it. We're going to have topical authority by doing this, super relevant locally. We're going to rank for tons and tons of terms by getting this right, and then just continuing to build out the related keywords underneath. What used to take hours and hours of manual research and tasks, this thing now takes, you can do a whole setup within an hour, if not less, and very high level with maps, diagrams, everything you need to really execute a high level strategy for your client. Let me know if there's any questions about how to do the semantic core. Thanks for watching.